my dear students. I'm happy to be here. Listen to the talk by our expert from Assam University. Professor Manuel rightly said, without language, you cannot communicate. If you are not able to communicate, you cannot achieve what you expect. That is very clear. I appreciate the part of education for, first of all, for choosing the title. I'm really very much impressed by the title. Breaking the barriers. Without breaking the barriers, independent India is not possible. Without breaking the barriers, Himalaya of Pakistan could not be known as a noble laureate today. So, language is that much important. Particularly, the fluency is very, very important. That is going to be discussed. The language barrier for me, I studied in a government school. First time, my barrier to speak in English was broken by my English teacher in ninth standard. That was the first occasion where I started speaking in English in the classroom. Though there will be a lot of mistakes, but still he encouraged me. So without breaking the barriers, nothing is possible.